Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment educational leadership week 7 assignment 7. So the first question is the new paradigms of education advocate for dash. So these are the option and now let's check the answer of our first question. So question first, the new paradigms of education not only advocates for no child left behind act but also recommends for customized, personalized learning assistance and quality education to all. So the answer of our first question is D. Now the second question is which of the following is true for metacognition? So these are the option and let's check the answer of our second question. So question second, it can occur before the cognitive event, can occur after the event retrospectively or simultaneously to evaluate. So the answer of our second question is D. Now the third question is dash knowledge is knowing about when and why declarative and procedural knowledge are relevant to a task effective strategies. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our third question. So question third, conditional knowledge is knowing about when and why declarative and procedural knowledge are relevant to tasks. So the answer of our third question is C. Now the fourth question is dash is the fit between metacognition and performance. So these are the option. Let's check the answer of our fourth question. So question fourth, calibration, the fit between metacognition and performance. So the answer of our fourth question is A. Now now the fifth question is which of the following is not a dimension of the learning environment focused on by cognitive apprenticeship. So these are the option. Let's check the answer of our fifth question. So question fifth focuses on four dimensions that constitute any learning environment. First, content. Second, method. Third, sequence. Fourth, sociology. So the answer of our fifth question is E. Now the sixth question is which of the following is an experiential learning method? So these are the option: role play, visualization, simulation, all of the above. So let's check the answer of our sixth question. So question six, experiential learning technique, simulations, visualizations, role play. So the answer of our sixth question is D. Now the seventh question is does learning includes for presentation of lessons through multimedia material, that is text, animation, graphics, video and sound. So these are the option and let's check the answer of our seventh question. So question seven, web based learning, presentation of lessons through multimedia material, that is text, animation, graphics, video and sound. So the answer of our seventh question is B. Now the eighth question is games are based on the theory of dash as they use fantasy, control, challenge, curiosity and adventure to motivate players. So let's check the answer of our eighth question. So question 8, games are based on theory of intrinsic motivation as they use fantasy, control, challenge, curiosity. So the answer of our eighth question is C. Now the ninth question is which of the following is an innovative pedagogy of learning? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is all of the above, E. Now the 10th question is in dash model of blended learning, most learning is done in the online environment. Face-to-face teaching is still available, but for small group individuals on a requirement basis. So these are the option: online lab, rotation, flex, self-blend, online driver. So let's check the answer of our 10th question. So question 10, flex. In this model, most learning is done in the online environment. Face-to-face teaching is still available, but for small groups, individuals on requirement basis. So the answer of our 10th question is C. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.